Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the bonus 6-piece cock ring set. So let's get started. So this is the bonus 6-piece cock ring set itself, and it's perfect for every man who knows what he wants. These are quality cock rings in 6 different sizes, starting with the smallest, and you can work your way up and find out what best suits you. These rings are made of odorless silicone and are very durable. They feel very soft and smooth on the skin, so it's very comfortable during use, and they're also slightly flexible as well. Because they're stretchy, they always fit perfectly, and thanks to the flat design, the rings will stay in place and won't fall off during use. Now, when using these rings, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the rings after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the bonus 6-piece cock ring set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.